Good morning. I'm again with you. I welcome each one of you to the Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. Today we are going to discuss the theorem, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides. C is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. We are given two triangles ABC and DEF. In which we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square. We will have to draw the construction, that is we have to draw AN perpendicular on BC and DM perpendicular on EF. Now let's start the proof. Since triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar, therefore the corresponding angles this and this, this and this and this are equal, and their corresponding sides, that is AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Let's take it as equation number 1. Now in triangle ALB and triangle DME, we have this angle, we have this angle equal to this angle, each 90. That is angle ALB equal to angle DME, each 90. And angle B is equal to angle E because these triangles are similar. We have already written here. From here we have taken this. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ALB is similar to triangle DME. Having reached here, we may say that once these two triangles are similar, then AL upon DM is equal to AB upon DE. Let's take it as equation number 2. Now from here and here, we have AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. But from equation 2, we have AB upon DE is equal to AL upon DM. So we replace this by AL upon DM. So now we can write AL upon DM is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. Now let's take it as equation number 3. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, we know how to calculate the area of triangle, that is half into base into altitude, half into base into altitude. Now see AL upon DM, AL upon DM, this can be replaced by BC upon EF, right? And similarly, see, once we have written here BC upon EF is equal to AL upon DM, but AL upon DM is again replaced by BC upon EF. That gives you area ratio of the areas is equal to square of BC upon square of EF. Therefore, we have proved that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratios, squares of the ratios of the corresponding sides. Similarly, we can prove this for all, okay, because here all these sides can be replaced by each other, and hence we have completed this theorem. For any doubts, you may again come back to me. Thanks for joining.